Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandrov and I continue with the example for the course. You can see the day 22nd of June, the price dropped very aggressively and we had our level of 6,125.41 reached and we are out of the formula. So what we have is the two sell orders with take profit and the first buy stop with a stop loss. So totally you can see what is my result here. I am having $480 of profit, right? Well, let me calculate it. So I'm having 2 times profit of 360 minus 6,720, and what I have is 480. But what I am having is a swap bigger than my profit here of the formula. So even the idea of the formula is to protect our trade if the price goes against us. I want in the end to see break even as minimum. Okay, I want to see at least zero profit or a little bit of profit. But what you can see here, I'm having 480 profit when I'm out of the formula, and then I'm having minus 215.89 minus another 299.98. That makes minus $35. Of course, for the trading amount that I'm doing right now, this is really small, but still guys, the swap for this broker at the current moment is very high, and I'm already used with the brokers to see they change their spreads, their swaps, and basically make my trading more difficult. But however, I always have the easy solution to switch to another broker. Okay, so one more time, I am out very nicely out of the formula. Okay, you can see with $480 of profit. And even one more time, my idea here is not to profit from the formula but to protect the trade. I don't want to have negative at the end of the day because of the huge swap of the broker, so I just change it. Now I'm observing most of the brokers that are having the cryptocurrencies, and now in the next days I will look at the other brokers and I will select to which one to transfer. And as you saw, since I'm recording this course, I was first having examples with GFD. After that they raised really the spread, and then I moved to AVA, but now even their spread is smaller, their swap is too big, which doesn't fit for my never losing formula. So if I'm not using the formula, I'm having some scalping strategy where I'm executing the trades during the same day and I'm closing the trades within the same day, so I'm not having the swap. It is okay to keep the account with these brokers, so it doesn't mean I will change totally the broker. I will just use it for the systems where I'm trading within the same day, so I'm not going to have the swap that big. Okay, and it was not previously. Now they have raised it, have no idea why, not going even to ask them. Just I am going to use the never losing formula for the cryptocurrencies and especially for the Bitcoin on another broker, and I will do my best to record more examples with the Bitcoin, because now guys, the Bitcoin is at a very important level of 6,114 just the current hour, and I'm sure it went even lower. It went to 6,050, and as you know, if you look on the daily chart, you will see that the lowest point was down here in February, where the Bitcoin reached below 6,000. Okay, so if it breaks below, we are expecting more negative market for the Bitcoin, and we will have more opportunities to sell it and take some quick profits. However, I'm glad I recorded this example because you saw very precisely how I'm using it on the short side. And let me just remove, and now I will look at the other brokers to see where I can use better the never losing formula for the Bitcoin. So this is a good lesson over here. Make sure you're flexible around the brokers, guys. Don't get in love with some broker, because as you see, at one moment they are convenient for me. I mean, I've been trading with AVA, the never losing formula, for the last months, but now I see that their swap is really huge and I don't want to be with a negative. Even I did my formula exactly, and instead of having a profit or break even, I am having this small loss, and this doesn't really make me happy. So make sure to be flexible around the brokers. And one more time, it doesn't mean I'm not going to use this broker at all, just I'm not going to use it now for the never losing formula. I will keep an eye on it. If they lower the swaps in the near future, I will go back to them. And how you can look at the swaps for the broker, just right click and go to specification, and you will see here how you can calculate your swaps. Okay, this is in percentage term. Anyway, I prefer just to test the brokers and see where my systems would work well. However, I'm very glad I recorded this example, guys, for you here. So when we are selling it, it's a mirror thing on the opposite direction. We place a buy stop if the price goes against us, and then we place another sell stop. And you can see here it happened exactly that. I'm out of the formula, but just because of this swap, I am on a very small loss, which I said it's an easy solution. I just need to use another broker for the system. And this is exactly the reason why I don't like recommending brokers to the students, because if I tell you one name today, tomorrow this broker might be not the best choice for you. Okay, that's why I want you to learn to look at the different brokers and to learn to be flexible with the brokers and just to change them whenever it is needed. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I really hope this is clear. Let me know always if you have any questions. Cheers!